12th, 2024. And we are on our way to Sea Ranch, which is 2 hours north of San Francisco. What happened yesterday at the Super Bowl?
Niners, they won the Super Bowl.
You see what this does to people who just get so single things to take care of their family.
Hi, Sugar. This is the crab sandwich. $40.
This sandwich is $40.
No, all together with 2 clam chowders and 1 sandwich, $40.
Mmm. Yeah, with the
Hey, Sugar. Oh my god! So cute! Hey guys, we made it.
She just dropped the camera.
Shut the f. I keep stepping on my coat.
This is another bedroom.
This is Sugar's bed.
But Sugar can't get up here.
I didn't realize I booked a 2-bedroom. Here we have drawers, closet, 2 bathrobes. Very nice. Look at the blue tiles. They have their logo everywhere. The waves. This is the room key. So you go like this. So they gave us a bandana for Sugar. Sugar, come here. Come here, Sugar.
It's hella bright though.
Oh, do you know how to turn it down? Hey, Sugar. They gave us a bandana. She's like making so much noise.
Oh. I'm keeping
This
that.
is the logo.
This is what I want. I need that.
This is for Eric. It was 2.
Oh. Wait, that's so nice of them. Pajamas.
Oh. Pajamas.
So thoughtful.
Cheers. Happy Valentine's Day. Early Valentine's Day. Sugar. Good morning.
Morning.
What day is it?
Today is Tuesday, the 13th.
How did you sleep last night?
I slept great.
Except your alarm went off at
8:30.
8:30. Sugar. Sugar's going crazy. She has a really bad allergies. You okay? Good girl. Come. Come on, Sugar. You got it. You got it, Sugar.